Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to make a GitHub website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com if you have not already. And once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. In the main page in the upper right corner, before you open it up, you'll be given the option to log into your account. So what you want to do is log in. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and create a new one. And once you have logged in, we can now get started. You'll be greeted by the main page right here where we can take a look at all the repositories we have. We can take a look at our home page, our home info, all the projects we have, and so on. And now we can get started creating the website. So basically guys, how do you create a website using GitHub? Well, you can make it in a form of a repository. So why are repositories? Repositories are sections where we can post all the code to our projects, websites, and so on. So here in the upper right corner, you can click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. That's going to open up this new menu right here. Here we can now get started with opening up repositories and our projects. You can open up the project list to upload any GitHub project that you wish. This can even be a website, or you can just open up the repository section right here to start uploading your code for your repository. So to create a new project or repository, open up the section, click the new button right here, and by clicking new, it's now going to enable you to go ahead and create a new repository, give it a name, description, make it public, private, choose whichever options you want, and once you're satisfied, click create. In the new repository and project that you make, there you can get started uploading all your code, your website, and so on, because with GitHub you cannot directly make a website, but you can upload all your code that you need, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.